Welcome to Learn and Fun with Orko. Hello friends, today we will do some questions of Mathematics IOM Olympiad question paper 2020. So we will do it from where we left off the last day. So now let's start. Last day we finished up to 7. So now let's start from 8. Now let's start from question number 8. Here it is showing that when the fractions represented by the shaded parts of figures 1, 2 and 3 are added, the resulting fraction will be equal to, we need to add up the fractions of the shaded parts of these 3 triangles. So first we need to find the fractions. So number 1, it is 3 parts out of 4 parts. So from here we will write 3 out of 4. Now here number 2, this is 1 out of 4. So we will write 1 out of 4. Now here this 3 number is also 1 out of 4. So we will write 1 out of 4. Now we need to add these up. So I took these 3 shaded parts fraction. Now I will add them up. So put the addition signs. And now add. So in fraction we don't add the numbers that are in the below. We only add the numbers that are at the top. So here at the bottom it will be just 4. These are 4, so this will be just 4. And up here it will be 3 plus 1 plus 1. Now let's add up. So it will be 5, 4. Now in fraction, always the bigger number should be at the bottom and the smaller number should be at the top. So now we need to divide to make it a correct fraction. So let's see how to do this. First the division. Now let's start. So 5 will be divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4. Now subtract 1 is the remainder. We need to put a sign beside the quotient and then we need to put the remainder at the top and divisor at the bottom. So here is the fraction. And this is the answer of this addition. So look, when the fraction represented by the shaded parts of figure 1, 2 and 3 are added, the resulting fraction will be equal to, look, this was the answer. So click on C. So the answer is C. Now look, next question, find the missing tens place digit in this multiplication. So here we just need to find which number goes here. So if this number and this number in multiplication is given and we need to find the number up here, then we just need to divide these two. Then we will get the number that goes up here. So if this number isn't here, then we have to multiply these two numbers. And if this number isn't here, then we have to divide these two. Okay, so this number isn't here, so divide these two. Let's start dividing. The pen just rolled away. Now, so I need to divide 6. 6. I said 6. There's the 6. 6 will divide what number? 6 will divide 5, 0, 10. So 6 goes in 50. 6 goes in 50. So look, the answer is this. So look, here 835. So here it will be 3. 3 because the answer was 835. Here 800 and A and 5. So here it will be 3. Now next question. The decimal equivalent to the reciprocal of the fraction represented by the shaded parts of this figure is. So here the decimal equivalent to the reciprocal. So first we need to find the fraction of this. So here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 parts, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are taken. So here we will write 12 and 5. Now look, we need to find the decimal equivalent to the reciprocal. Reciprocal means the fraction will be reversed. So if reversed, it will be like this. See? And now, so look here. Then we need to find the decimal equivalent to the reciprocal. So now let's learn how to find the decimal. So here we need to divide this. So divide sign or divide sign. Now we need to divide 12. Now 5 goes in 12. How many times? 2. So 10. Then we need to subtract 0, 2. Now look, we need to get a 0 here. But how? We need to put a point here and then get a 0 here. Now 5 goes in. Now do the normal division you do. 5 goes in 24 times. So write 4 and then 20. So 2.4. 2.4. So the answer is 2.4. A. Next question. If the cost of 50 pencils is 200, then the cost of 4 such pencils will be. The cost of 50 pencils is already given. So the cost of 4 such pencils will be. So the cost of 50 pencils is already given. So we need to find the cost of 4 pencils. To find the cost of 4 pencils, we first need to find the cost of 1 pencil. So how to do it? Just divide 50 by 200. Just divide 200 by 50. So 50 and 200. Now look, 50 goes in 200 how many times? 2 times. 200. Sorry, this was a mistake. 50 goes in 200 4 times. This was a silly mistake. Very silly mistake. 4 times. Now cross. So 50 goes in 200 4 times. 4 is the answer. So the cost of 1 pencil is 4. The cost of 1 pencil is 4. So now we need to multiply the cost of 1 pencil by 4. Multiply 4. So we already found the cost of 1 pencil. So to find the cost of 4 pencils, we need to multiply the cost of 1 pencil 4 times. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So 16. So the answer will be 16. The cost of 4 pencils is 16. Now Next question. If a factory produces 276 bicycles in 6 days, then the factory will produce how many such bicycles in 9 days? So, to find how many, so the question has already given us the number of bicycles produced in 6 days, and it is telling us to find the number of bicycles produced in 9 days. So this is a bit like the previous one. First we need to find the number of bicycles produced in 1 day. So 276 divided by 6. 6. So 46 is the number of bicycles produced in 1 day. So to find the number of bicycles produced in 9 days, we need to multiply the number of bicycles produced in 1 day by 9. Here 9, 46, 9 times. So 9 goes in 6 how many times? 414 is the answer. So, where is my pencil? Where is my pencil? Oh, here is my pencil. 414. Now, next question. Which one of the following line segments is not a chord of this circle with center O? So first we need to understand what a chord means. So look, I have already drawn a circle. So a chord is a line with both of its sides touching the circle. So it can be like this. Look, the both of its ends are touching the sides of the circle. It can be right through the middle. It can be like this. Only the two ends must touch the sides of the circle. Look, chord, another one, and look, a circle always has a middle point. The chords that touch the middle point are the longest chords of the circle. So these two and this and this touch the center point. So these are the longest chords of this circle. So look, now let's go to the question. So remember, a chord should be a line that both sides of it touches the sides of the circle. So look, this is telling us which chord doesn't touch both of the circle. Both doesn't touch the edges of the circle. So the answers are A, B. Let's see. A, B. Both ends are touching the edges of the circle. So this is not the answer. B, D. B, D. Both ones are touching. So this is not the answer. E, C. E, C. The both ends are not touching. One end is touching the edge and the other one is touching the edge of other chord. So it should touch the edge of the circle, not the edge of other chord. So the answer is E, C. It is not a chord of the circle. So this much for today. This much for today. We will continue in the next video. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.